Welcome, G. I'm going to update you about the one latest news going on uh, the news channel, or the particular one company getting the good contract for the future works. So let's talk. I'm going to talk about those company, what kind of contract they are getting, and also what kind of business they are doing, what kind of benefit, what kind of they have a shareholding pattern, as well as how many which kind of investor they have invested in this organization, and what are the valuation of this organization, as well as. So let's try. I'm going to the jump on that news, and that news come by that by this capital market just today, around 1 o'clock. Rites the company. Rites win contract of worth of 424 crore for a railway electrifications work. Okay, so these are the company rights, and this company wins the contracts for 474 crore from railway. The work kind of work they are getting, railway electrification works. So these are the works. If you are going to the deep in the news, and that is that yeah, rights has been awarded a contract for the railway electrification work on the companies on the competition basis. They are not just this is the government company that they are getting a flat this work, but on the competition basis amounting 474 crore. Okay, so these works of railway electrification work of in the rights company are get contract on the basis of competition, not that this is the government organization that government awarded this work. No, the multiples kind of MOU and some rules and regulations which they are following. And this is the news powered by your capital market live news. From this news I'm getting, so I think why we cannot go with this rights company, what rights company are doing, what kind of business and investor they have, and when this company are listed in this stock exchange. If I'm looking some top news as well as, so if I'm going to the top news about half an hour before, then the equityboost.com mentioned that Key Rights Limited backs railway electrifications project of 474 crore. Similarly, Business Standard also posted on his channel that Rights wins contract of 474 crore for railway electrification works. So this contract is already won by the rights. So let's discuss what rights is, and if I'm talking about the rights, okay, rights is a infrastructure company. This is the infrastructure company they are working for, and if you are going to tell, Rights Limited is an engineering consultancy company specializing in the field of transport infrastructure. Okay? And that company is established in 1974. This is not a new company, but listed in this stock exchange for the share purchase and by the normal investor. They are listed in 2018. So, and they have also in more than 300,000 employee, and they have also good amount of revenue. Currently, they have more than 2,743 crores of revenue. Okay, and so this is the first things. This company is the established in 1974 by the government of India. The one can say they have a huge promoter. They have a government of India. And if we are looking the today your trading price about just 2 o'clock, and then we looked at this company is trading started in this exchange on the near about July 2018, and the stock is after listing they are going to the forward directions, but in they gain the 331 of your high, and due to the corona activities corona, and the company's stock going to the down and now go to the low side 190 rupees. And after that, when the government started again unlocking the some lockdown phases, and then again this stock is going to the upper direction, so now they are trading near about 250 rupees. And if you are comparing from the top high to bottom of 250, and then you can find that this is still getting more than you can still this stock is mm, mm, trading downside of more than 50%. So still, if you are thinking about these stocks, then you are getting a, right place, right times to think on that. Still, they are not trading very high level of his value. And if you are looking about the shareholding patterns, the majority share is initially when the government of India is listed this company in the market, then 87% of shareholder still have a government of India. But due to the rules regulation of SEBI, government have reduced his shareholding pattern. So currently, they are with shareholding 72% share have held by the government of India, and apart from that, they have some 1.5% shareholding by the FIA, and you have to 16% share is the hold by your DII, and DII basically they have mutual fund, they have invested, and also your insurance company LIC. And LIC just in the last December and just March 2020 they have increased its stakes. So we have to think the LIC, which is the very large organizations, and they are invested in these organizations, and they have keep holding up 7.83% shares. So we can think the LIC is generally investing in those companies which they are very long term perspective. So we, if we are thinking about the long term perspective, so we can also think, and here also some mutual funds like HDFC and Reliance Capitals have showing some investor showing some interest here, and they have hold some shares of this company. So perspective is that the mutual funds and insurance company are believing in this organization. This company just listed on exchange in just 2018. So this is not so old. And that perspective, if we are talking about the valuation of these organizations, and then we find that the company market capital is more than 6,000. That is not so large, very small organization. And one thing we have noted that the current P ratio on which this stock is trading is the 11%, and the industry P is the almost 11 10.86. So currently this stock is not trading so higher than its industry. Almost you can say you are getting a marginal high of the industry trading price P ratio. So this is a stock is the same valuation on which industry P needed, and the company have a 103 face value and 160% of dividend. So I'm talking about the dividend. This is the kind of dividend they are providing 6.34 percentage of dividend yield. So you can consider if you are invested in this organization, you can get good kind of a return in the form of dividend as well as. And the major thing, the dividend on the dividend percentage, the calculated on the basis of face value, and face value of this company stocks is 10 rupees. The possibility that you are getting higher person value in the percent in the terms of monetary per share value, and you have also chance in the future that whenever the face value is reduced, you are getting a benefit as well as. So the valuation perspective, this stock is trading not more so you can say higher level, but trading as the his industry level P. So we can think for this kind of stocks. So here just I'm summarizing, these are some points which help you to further start your analysis, your research. So before you are going to investing this company shares, stocks, you have to do your own analysis and research, and this pointer help you to do more deep analysis. Okay, that's it. So thank you watching for this video.